School shootings have been a major issue in the 2017 and 2018 school year. And this year, Oxon Hill High School has decided to take action and participate in the Never Again movement. But instead of having a walkout, the school had an assembly on the issue, in which students and staff participated in. The assembly was led by Oxon Hill's very own SGA and principal, Dr. Cadet. Therefore, let's tune in to Dr. Cadet to see his thoughts on the assembly.
The purpose of the assembly today was to provide students an opportunity to learn a little bit more about the effects of gun violence on students in schools, and also provide them an opportunity to express themselves and to talk about different levels of advocacy that they could pursue as they move forward with the Never Again movement. The assembly today affected me by how it was very profound. The way that the students were able to come together and express themselves and share real life information about what they were feeling, what they were thinking. And I felt so proud to be a part of this school, to be part of Oxon Hill, to be a part of a group of students that believe in something and have passion towards something and are willing to speak up and are willing to advocate on a matter that touches them deeply.
With great leadership comes great students, and the students of Oxon Hill demonstrated their opinions and mindset in the assembly. Let's tune in into a first-hand opinion of a student who participated in the assembly.
Well, I felt as though it was a very personal type of assembly, seeing as though you don't hear these students talk that often, but seeing how this big movement affects students that are around you, it's a really good thing to see. There's no doubt about that. So it's up to us to determine whether or not the world that we live in is going to be a great place for future generations to be able to make changes that they feel need to be made.